Great, Oto's here with more junk. It's April 6th, 2025, around 11:45, and Oto brought his Jeep back home. He had traded to a guy for that trailer, and I think they traded it back, but that trailer's been sitting there for a long time. At least a Jeep will take up less room once the trailer's gone. We'll see how good Oto can back a trailer up. Pretty long trailer. Well, this is almost funny.
Hey Charlie, you pushing?
Yeah.
Is the brake off? Is the brake off? No.
That's funny. Oto's got the shallow trailer put down here for now until the guy comes picks it up, and we don't know when that's going to be. So at least it's out of the upper driveway. Really fixing our bullhead. Yeah, good. Transplanting some lavender for the wife. To get it off that hill so I can take care of the weeds. This wasn't the way. Alright, mowing in the rain. Great. Looks a lot better without that big travel trailer sitting there, taking space. Yeah, some new neighbors. The lady that owned this, I was going to try to buy the 6 acres from her, but she said it wasn't for sale, and she ended up selling it. So anyway, the new neighbors look like they're going to build a house with it by the pond. You know, that brush there. Get rid of that. Now, that's a warm fire. I found some more wood that needs to be moved. I'll start on it. And lavender here needs to be planted there where that wood is, but that's not going to happen today. Well, it's about all the tractor work I plan on doing today since it's raining pretty good. I'll drop this wood off and get warm somewhere, so it's time to feed the livestock. So, appreciate you guys watching.